Okay, again in the question number 3 we have 5x raised to the power 1 by 2 that is equal to 7x raised to the power 1 by 4 minus 2. Alright, now what's going to be happen, the equation is not in the standard form, so first of all I am going to make it standard form by shifting all the values towards the left side. So it's 5x 1 by 2 power minus 7x raised to the power 1 by 4 plus 2 that is equal to 0. Fine. Now it seems that the values are not in the quadratic form. It's not in the square form. First of all, let me convert it into the quadratic expression. So again, I have explained you that consider the middle term value. Okay. Now the middle term value that can be converted after taking the square of 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 square cannot make 1 by 4. But 1 by 4 square can make 1 by 2. Okay. So first let me put y is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 4. Okay. Then what will happen? Y square is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay. So means x raised to the power 1 by 2 will be replaced with y square minus 7. X raised to the power 1 by 4 will be replaced with y plus 2 that is equal to 0. Now this is the expression which is in terms of y. Find the quadratic equation in term of y. So what I need to do, I need to calculate the value for y. For this I can factorize it also. For this I can apply the quadratic formula also. Okay. Now if I factorize it, so we have 5y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 2 that is equal to 0. So take 5y common, I am left as the answer, it's y minus 1. Take 2 common, I am left as the answer y minus 1. Okay. So the answer remained is y minus 1 and 5y minus 2 that is equal to 0. Okay. It means that either y is equal minus 1 is equal to 0 or 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. It means that y is equal to 1 or 5y is equal to 2 or y is equal to 2 divided by 5. So I am left as the answer for y. But I was supposed to calculate the value for x. Okay. For that purpose what I need to do, I need to replace the values. Okay. So on the same pattern, when I will replace the value, what will happen? The substitution I did, y is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 4. Okay. What will happen over there? जब मेरे पास y की वैल्यू 1 है, ठीक है, तो मेरे पास आंसर आ रहा है x raised to the power 1 by 4 is equal to 1. But I need to calculate the value for x. I am not supposed to calculate the value for x raised to the power 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 के साथ क्या चीज़ कैंसिल की जा सकती है? 4. So taking fourth power on both sides. So x की पावर 1 by 4 था. I am going to apply the power 4 on both sides. So 1 को आप जितने दफा मर्जी मल्टीप्लाई करें, it remains 1 4 times. How much it will be? X is equal to 1 ही रहेगा. Okay. On the other side, I am going to have y is equal to 2 over 5. So x raised to the power 1 by 4 is equal to 2 divided by 5. On the same line, when I will take the fourth power on both sides, I am left as the answer x raised to the power 1 by 4 whole power 4 that is equal to 2 over 5 raised to the power whole power 4. Okay. 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. X का जो आंसर है that is 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we have 16 divided by 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 multiplied by 625. So these two are my answers for this question. Okay. In the question number 4, the same pattern question as was the question number 3. Let me arrange the equation. We have x raised to the power 2 by 3 minus 15 x raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 54 that is equal to 0. Okay. Coming up, first of all, now what can be converted in terms of 1 by 3? 1 by 3 can be converted in terms of 2 by 3, but 2 by 3 cannot be converted in terms of 1 by 3. So what I need to do, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, put y is equal to 1 by 3, x raised to the power 1 by 3. Then y square is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 3 whole square, यानी कि x की power 2 ones are 2 divided by 3. So what I need to do, x raised to the power 2 by 3 की जगह मेरे पास कितना आ जाएगा, y square minus 15, x raised to the power 1 by 3 की जगह पर y plus 54 that is equal to 0. You can use the quadratic formula, you can apply the factorization. If I check its roots, then 9 and 6, 9 6 are 54, 9 plus 6 make 15. So y square minus 9y minus 6y plus 54 that is equal to 0. Take y common, I am left as y minus 9. Take 6 common, I am left as y minus 9 that is equal to 0. On the same line, it's y minus 6, it's y minus 9 that is equal to 0. 1 by 1 यूज करें, y minus 6 is equal to 0 और y minus 9 is equal to 0. यहाँ से आपको आंसर मिलेगा, it's y is equal to 6 and it's y is equal to 9. So what I am supposed to do more? I need to calculate the value for x. I was not supposed to calculate the value for y. So what we are going to have again, as we were doing the prior, we were just replacing the values. The y we were having is 1 by 3 part on x. Okay, so it would be when y is equal to 1 by 6, so it would be x raised to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 6. Okay, 1 by 3 can be cancelled by cube. So x raised to the power 1 by 3 whole cube that is equal to 6 whole cube. Let them cancel. Answer would be what? 6 6 are 216. Okay. Now coming up with the second one, y is equal to 9. अब जब y is equal to 9 के लिए है तो हमारे पास second क्या आ जाएगा, x की power 1 by 3 is equal to 9. On the same line, when you will take the cube for it, you are left as the answer. So x is equal to 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are 729. So the final answer we have is 216 and 729. Okay, coming up with the question number 5, we have 3x raised to the power minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8x raised to the power minus 1. Okay, first of all, equation is not erased, so by writing it in the standard form, we have 3x raised to the power minus 2 minus 8x raised to the power minus 1 plus 5 that is equal to 0. Fine. Furthermore, what we are going to have, put करेंगे हम इसमें now x power minus 2, x power minus 1. Which one is the minimum? X raised to the power minus 1. So put x raised to the power minus 1 is equal to y. Then y square is equal to x raised to the power minus 1 whole square. Power of a power multiplies, so we have plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2, right? So when we will solve it, so we are left as the answer, it's 3y square minus 8y plus 5 that is equal to 0. Now what we are going to have, again a quadratic equation in terms of y. Fine, which is quadratic in y. So you can use the quadratic formula to find the value for y. You can have the factorization to find the value for y. जिसको जितने steps, जिसको जो method easy लगे, you can follow it. Answer will remain the same. Okay. Like if I factorize it, so 5 3s are 15. 5 and 3 they both are pair for 8y. So it's 3y square minus 3y minus 5y plus 5 that is equal to 0. Take 3y common. I am left as 3y minus 1. Take 5 common. It's y minus 1 that is equal to 0. So 5 minus 1 and 3y minus 5 that is equal to 0. So 1 by 1 solve करें. So we have y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. इधर minus 1 है, उस तरफ ले जाकर कितना होगा, y is equal to plus 1. यहाँ पर ये देखें we have 3y is equal to 5 and y is equal to we have 5 divided by 3. Alright, so I'm left as the answer x y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, at the last I was not supposed to calculate for value for y, so I'm going to replace again. Now for the replacement I have the value y is equal to x raised to the power -1. So जब फर्स्ट वाले के लिए चेंज होगा y is equal to 1 के लिए, तो x raised to the power -1 is equal to 1 x raised to the power -1. पावर नेगेटिव हो तो उसको चेंज करने का क्या मेथड है कि हम उसको डिनोमिनेटर में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. सो इट वुड बी 1 over x दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. तो जब हम इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा 1 is equal to x, यानी a का आंसर आपके पास आएगा x is equal to 1. On the second side we have y is equal to 5 by 3. So x raised to the power -1 is equal to 5 by 3. Again इसको भी नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए हमारे पास क्या होता है 1 by x is equal to 5 by 3. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें, you have 3 is equal to 5x. ओके, x के साथ 5 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इस तरफ ले जाकर क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. So x is equal to 3 by 5. So hence the solution set we have is 1 and 3 by 5. So this is the first type of the question which can be easily converted with the help of their parts into the quadratic equation by substitution, and in the last by replacing the value which you have substituted. I hope that these questions are clear to you.